Guess what I got for my birthday? I got a drone for my birthday. Oh my God. I got the gift. Matching my colors, matching my pattern of stripes with my florals. Gucci. It's a freaking drone! It's insane! Oh my God, it's so small. And that's the packaging, so it's gonna be smaller than that. Oh my God! Look how tiny it is. Look at this baby. Oh my God, I am absolutely ecstatic about this baby. I got a DJI Air 2S in my hands and I couldn't love it anymore. I mean, it is small, it's compact, absolutely beautiful footage. You can control it very easily. I tested it in a bit of really high wind and it was performing beautifully. But these guys are actually illegal in New York City. What the hell am I gonna do? I live in New York City. These babies are illegal in New York City. I am currently in Puerto Rico, so I have freedom to fly this drone in particular areas under a certain height. So I've checked all of the regulations and I registered the drone, so I'm good to go. But what am I gonna do when I go back to New York City? Those things are illegal. But while I'm here in Puerto Rico, I am gonna fly the heck out of this baby. And while I was researching, I'm trying to open the camera here. So while I was researching, I watched a whole bunch of videos. There's a plane that's really, really, really loud. So I was watching some YouTube videos on drones and how to handle them, how to use them, what to do. And I also checked out Peter McKinnon. He's the king of photography, cinematography, obviously lots of drone footage, beautiful footage. He has a lot of knowledge. So Peter McKinnon is in Canada. And in Canada, thank God I am not in Canada, because there you need a pilot's license, drone pilot license, but nevertheless a pilot's license. So what am I supposed to do?
Canada, as a country as a whole, has changed the drone laws. Basically now illegal to fly a drone anywhere without very specific licensing and certificates and a whole bunch of things that I'm going to explain to you in this video.
Well, actually, I am not in Canada, but I live in New York City. And in New York City, these babies are illegal. I can't even fly in New York City. Well, thankfully, I am not in New York City. I am in Puerto Rico, and I can fly it all I want here. I have registered it. I have checked the regulations. I know what the local rules are. I'm gonna fly this baby as much as I can, get all of the footage that I can, a beautiful tropical atmosphere, the ocean, the sunsets are incredible. And then I guess when I come back to New York, I'm gonna have to just, I guess, go outside of the city and travel. Hey, I'm just gonna travel more with my drone. Sorry, Peter McKinnon, you're in Canada, I am in New York City, so I don't know who's worse off. In the next couple of days, I'm gonna test and see all of the different variations of shots and all of the footage that I can take, and hopefully I can get some really gorgeous footage. Let's see what this baby can do. Well, also, it's about to pour rain here. I can see some really dark clouds over that way. I had some really calm, peaceful weather in the morning. I didn't get a chance to come out, but now I'm here. And while it hasn't started pouring rain, I'm gonna try and fly this guy. There's also quite a bit of wind. I don't know how much of a wind. Maybe that's why I actually need a drone pilot's license, so I would actually know all of these things. So yes, I kind of understand why we need to have a lot more knowledge, but I'm gonna be really careful and just fly it up around the rooftop. I have plenty of landing space here. Let's see what I can do today. Okay, I got the phone in my remote control. I got the drone on the floor. I've installed the propellers the right way, so I'm just gonna pair up the drone with my phone. I've opened up the DJI app. I can see something with my sunglasses. I put the control sticks, and I'm just starting the remote control. That's done. Beep beep. Also, the drone is lighting up. Beginner flight tutorial. I'm doing the start pre-flight check.
Perform a safety check before you fly.
Okay, safety check before I fly. All propellers are in good condition. They're open. I think I'm almost ready to fly. Gimbal is good. I don't need a tutorial. I think I'm just ready to fly. Oh, I can see already it's filming my feet because it's right there. Done. I have my safety perimeter. I am ready to go. Okay, pre-flight check. normal. I set the altitude down to 30 meters, max altitude 220, max distance 480 meters. That sounds like a lot. I'm almost scared, but fine. That's the preset, so I'll do that. And that all looks normal. Safety check, I got a green. Control sticks. Tap here to take off. I think we're ready to go. Let's see. There you go. Flying this baby. Unbelievable. It's a little noisy, but man, does it sound amazing. It's performing really well. It's quite windy, but it's really holding up. Okay, and I can see myself on the video screen here on the phone. So I'm doing left and right, I'm doing back and forth, it's holding steady. First flight, second flight. Oh my god, I just landed it. I feel like I'm sweating. I feel like that was a lot of effort. It's kind of stressful, but I love that the app really gives you a great overview. It helps you with the controls. So for, you know, first, second flight, I enjoyed the hell out of it. I really, really liked it. And it feels that I do have control. It takes a little bit more time possibly to just get used to exactly which way is the drone heading so that you can control it. Because if the drone is heading opposite of you or to the left or to the right, the forward or the backward button would be what the drone is seeing. So that's the only thing that I feel like I need to get used to. Other than that, it's freaking exciting. I love it.